hindi siya iiwan. Phenomenal President, maraming salamat. Bongbong Marcos, mahina kokote mo. Wala kang panalo dito. Baliw! So, ang sinabi ni Bongbong Marcos, walang soberenya ang Pilipinas. Ang sinabi niya, ang hudikatura natin ay bulok, walang sistema, kung kaya kailangan yung kahihiyan na ibibigay natin ang mga kaso natin na siya dapat mismo natin kayang gawin ay ibibigay pa sa dayuhan. Yan ang sinabi ni Bongbong Marcos sa hudikatura at sa bawat Pilipino, bulok ang justice system natin. So bawat justice, bawat judge, bawat lawyer, bawat law student, mainsulto kayo sa ginawa ni Bongbong Marcos ng pag-surrender ng ating soberenya. Sinabi din niya na ang Pilipino, itong taong ito na sinabi ni Vice President Inday, hindi marunong maging president. Eksakto ang pinakita niya. He surrendered a Filipino citizen sa ICC, sa isang dayuhan. Never na ginawa ni Rodrigo Roa Duterte yan. So it is incumbent upon everybody, lahat tayo, matuto tayo mag-Ingles. Kasi ang audience natin ngayon ay ang audience ni Rodrigo Roa Duterte, the world stage. We will tell the world who Rodrigo Roa Duterte is and what that war on drugs really is. Somewhere like 88 to 92% of Filipinos approved of Rodrigo Roa Duterte's war on drugs. Ang hindi ninyo nakikita ngayon, sabi ng informant ko sa BJMP, nung si PRRD ay kinidnap, ang nag-cheer doon, ang saya-saya nila, mga CPP, NPA, NDF, kasi ang nasa loob ng ICC na yan ay ang CPP, NPA, NDF. Si Cristina Conti, na sinabi ng mga former rebels ay isang operatiba ng CPP, ay legal advisor ng CPP, NPA, NDF. Sa kanila din nanggaling yung bloated, na exaggerated na figure na 30 to 60,000 deaths daw. Pero ang nasa alleged crimes ng ICC mismo ay 43 in 8 years. Sila ang may crimes against humanity, ang CPP, NPA, NDF na yan. At namemeligro ang Pilipinas ngayon kasi ang tingin ng CPP, NPA, NDF ay panalo na sila. Sandali na lang, pababagsakin na nila ang gobyernong ito. At madali yan kapag ang leader ay ganyan, katulad ni Bongbong Marcos. So, magkakapit-bisig tayo dito. Dumadaan tayo sa isang madilim na kabanata ng ating kasaysayan, pero sa aking pananaw, isa rin siyang kabanata na punong-puno siya ng pag-asa kasi matatanggal na natin ang CPP, NPA, NDF pag nasabi natin sa mundo, yung ICC na yan, nasa loob niya ng CPP, NPA, NDF, mga komunistang teroristang nagwasak ng Pilipinas at sila ang nasa likod ng injustice na pagsident. With the collusion of the Marcos administration, sila na mismo ang nag-amin. Sila na mismo ang umamin na the orders came from the office of the president. Very damning. So may I please talk to the international audience. Rodrigo Roa Duterte is the most beloved president of the Philippines. I had the privilege, I had the honor, I had the blessing to serve under such a president, and his trust and approval ratings from the time he sat in office till the time he stepped down until now is unprecedented in the non-democratic world. And there is a reason for that. Rodrigo Roa Duterte comes but once in his lifetime. And this government of Bongbong Marcos kidnapped him. He wasn't given due process. He was taken in an airplane that the office of the president himself rented so that he could be kidnapped and brought to Hague. This Philippine president took his own citizen and surrendered him to the ICC and a kangaroo court, a court that has no respect from the international community. And I believe that none of us are separate, that we are all united. It doesn't matter if you're Filipino, or if you're from Hague, or if you're Chinese, or if you're from the United States. We are one. And this is happening all over the world. The lies that are being told by media about leaders who are real leaders are happening. The ICC is happening. The use of NGOs to steal from government is happening. We know this because we have been under the terrorism for over half a century of the CPP, NPA, and the F. Therefore, I would like to appeal to you. You are our protection. You are humanity's protection. Whatever diminishes one person diminishes the rest of humanity. There are plenty of persons that deserve to be in jail. The CPP, NPA, NDF is one of them. Fascists and plunderers, people who steal from the people, billions, trillions, of which Marcos and Tambaloslos are being now asked to explain court, are one of them. But definitely, Rodrigo Roa Duterte is not one of them. Help us to our fellow humans all over the world. Help us bring a most beloved, a most respected leader in this country. Thank you.
Maraming salamat si Dr. Lorraine Badoy. Gusto niyo na bang marinig si VP Sara Duterte? Mangungusap po sa atin mamaya si VP Sara, kasama na si Mayor Baste Duterte at ang dalawang malapit kay Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte during sa kanyang huling oras bago siya naihatid sa the Netherlands, si Hanilet Avancenia and Kitty Duterte. Kaya antabayanan po natin yan. Sa mga sandaling ito, makakasama po natin ngayon isa sa mga batikang abogado, Attorney Trixie Cruz Angeles.
Magandang gabi.